Hello friends, my name is Smile Saudagar. I am a .developer and today I am going to introduce inheritance in C# in front of you. Inheritance is one among the four OOPS principle. As we know, there are four OOPS principle: inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, and encapsulation. So inheritance is out of these. As the name suggests, inheritance means inheriting the feature from the parent. Like in human being, we see that the children are inheriting their some features like their hair color, skin color from their parents, or their cleverness or beauty. So this is the example of inheritance in human beings. Similarly, in C# language, we are also having a concept called inheritance. It means that here the inheritance happens between the classes, and we can create a new class from the existing class. So the newly created class is called derived class and the existing class is called the base class. The derived class will have member of its parent class, as well as it can have its own members like variables and function, but the derived class will not inherit the private members of the parent class. For avoiding inheritance in any class, that avoiding means if we don't want that particular class should be inherited, or there should not be one new class can be created from that particular class. So in that case, we use the sealed keyword before the name of that class. Now I will show you the syntax of the inheritance. Here access is specifier after the derived class name colon base class. This colon here indicates that inheritance is happening in our program. So here public is the access specifier, class B is the derived class name, the new class which we are creating. Colon indicates that this B class name we are inheriting from the base class name. Here base class is the class A. Now I will show you the example of the inheritance in my current program. So I will open my Visual Studio. As you can see here, I am having my first one program. In that I have created one class, class A. It is having two variables x, y of data type integer. Here I am having one method add two numbers and subtract two numbers which are public, and one print line method which is private method here. So as I told you, we cannot have this print line method in our class B when we inherited it from our class A, and it will have add two numbers, subtract two number, and x, y variable will be available. So I will show you the class B. Here I have created class B. It is inheriting from class A. So class B is derived class, class B is the base class. It is having its own two methods, multiply two number and divide two number. It does not have any x, y variables and add and subtract method. So add and subtract method will be derived from class A into the class B. So class B will contain that method also. Here I am having my program.cs. In main, I have created the object of the class B, and I am taking the two first number and the second number in x, y. As you can see here, bobj.x we are having, and it is of class A. It is not present in class B. It is not present here in class B. It is present here x, y in class A. So I am easily, there is no any compile time error because inheritance happened. So it also become the member of the class B object x, y. X, y I can write here, and after that I am doing addition of the two numbers, and I am passing x, y as the parameter, and I am printing on the screen. Similarly, I am doing the subtraction, and you can see here subtract two numbers also present in case of BOBJ. In BOBJ means it is also now became the member of the derived class, and I am printing that. Similarly, multiplication of two numbers and division of two numbers I am doing and sharing on the screen. Now if I will try to access print line, which is the private member of class A, which is not public, we will see what will happen here. It is inherited or not inherited, and according to inheritance concept, it should not be inherited here because it is the private of parent class A. So BOBJ dot, when I am doing print, so I am not seeing here print ln method, print line method, and here compile time error is coming, means that it is working as expected, and private member we cannot inherit here. So this is about inheritance. Now we will run the program and we will see the output of this program. From here, I'm running the program. Now you can see here we are having enter first number message on the output screen. I will enter here first number as 6. It is asking for the second number. I am here entering 3. And when I will press enter, I can see addition of two number is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Subtraction of two number is 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. And multiplication is 18 and division 6 by 3 equal to 2. So it means it is working fine, and as expected, inheritance is successfully happening. So this is about the inheritance. So please, if you have any difficulty, write to me or comment me in below my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Our next topic will be on types of inheritance, how it happens in C#. We will discuss in our next video.